Are you planning a new kitchen? Many homeowners and kitchen designers can be torn between deciding from a cooktop, a range top, or even that traditional all-in-one range. So be sure to keep watching to see which may be the best fit for you. Let's first talk about the different appliances, starting with cooktops. A cooktop is an appliance that sits on the top of the counter, providing a seamless and modern look. Unlike a range, it does not include an oven beneath it, and the controls are typically on the top surface. And if we look at the three different fuel types, there's gas, which is going to provide that instant heat. You'll see the visible flames. It's durable, it's cost effective, and it works with just about any piece of cookware. Next, there's electric. Many models offer consistent heat and fine-tuned settings. This is ideal for simmering and delicate cooking, not to mention it is very easy to clean. And then especially here in 2025, induction is all the rage. You can heat cookware directly, providing faster and more efficient cooking compared to other cooktops, and not to mention that induction is one of the safest among the three. Next, we have a range top, and this is a built-in cooking appliance that looks similar to a cooktop, but it's larger, more powerful, and designed to sit on top of the lower cabinetry. Unlike a cooktop, a range top extends down the front of the counter, and it has controls located on the front panel, similar to that of a professional style range. Range tops are available in gas, electric, and induction as well, but you'll get a little bit more flexibility. And not only do they come in larger widths, you'll get more cooking surface options. Like, check this out. This is a 6-burner range top with a built-in charbroiler from Wolf. 48-inch range tops seem to be very popular too. This model here is from Thermador. It features a 6 burners and a griddle. If you love extra flat top space for everything from eggs and pancakes to stir fry or smash burgers, you'll really enjoy this. And cooking with a wok is more popular than ever. This model is available in 36 and 48 inches. This is a range top from Wolf, and it comes with an integrated porcelain-coated cast iron wok ring that cradles a traditional round bottom wok. This is going to offer extreme pan maneuverability. And lastly, we have the range, which is a freestanding or slide-in appliance that combines a cooktop and an oven in a single unit. It is very common to have these all-in-one cooking solutions found in most kitchens. There are 3 different types of ranges. First is freestanding, which is finished sides and a back control panel, and it can be placed anywhere. It's the most flexible and typically the most affordable option amongst the 3. Next is slide-in. This is designed to slide seamlessly between cabinets with front-facing controls and no back panel for a built-in look. It offers a sleek, custom aesthetic, and it requires precise countertop fitting. And then last is the professional style or the pro style. This is a high-performance option with powerful burners, commercial-grade construction, and often comes in larger sizes. It's built for serious cooking and typically requires specialized installation. Ranges come in various fuel types, including electric, induction, gas, and also dual fuel. And if you've heard of dual fuel, and if you're unsure of what it is, it's a range that combines a gas cooking surface with an electric oven, offering the precise temperature control of gas burners with the even, dry heat of an electric oven, which is ideal for baking and roasting. And you'll also get features like self-clean too. Now that you have a better understanding of what each of these cooking appliances are, let's look at the pros and cons of each. When it comes to cooktops, the pros would be it is the most affordable cooking option, it's available in gas, electric, and induction, it's sleek design, and it has top-mounted controls for ease of use. Not to mention there's wall oven flexibility as well. You can put one underneath or off to the side or in a whole other part of the kitchen. The cons would be it is less powerful than a range top or a range. A wall oven is needed to purchase separately, and there's no extra flexibility with built-in grills or griddles. When it comes to range top pros, you're gonna notice the higher BTU burners. You're gonna get a lot more power. The front controls make heat adjustments a lot easier. You're gonna often see grill or griddle options, especially in those larger sizes. And you're typically gonna see wider and heavier duty materials out of a range top than you are a cooktop. A con would be it is more expensive than a cooktop. It takes up quite a bit more cabinet space and installation than a cooktop, and it's going to require professional installation and ventilation because on gas models you are going to get higher BTU output, which means it's going to require more ventilation. And lastly, we have the ranges. One of the biggest pros of a range is it's going to save space by having the cooktop and oven all in one footprint. It's going to be the easiest to install because only one appliance is going to be needed. It is the largest cook space and it's going to have the largest ovens. Ranges come in sizes anywhere between 24 to 60 inches, so you can get anything from a single to a full double oven. And not to mention, there are color and customization options available to you. There's a lot of brands offering different knobs, bezels, and custom door panels for you to choose from. So if you love color, ranges might be the way to go. A couple cons would be it is maybe a little bit too low to the ground, it's going to be less ergonomic, and it is a fixed placement in the kitchen, so you're not going to be able to have that flexibility of a wall oven on one wall and a cooktop on the other side of the kitchen. It's going to stay stationary all in one place all the time. At the end of the day, it comes down to your space, your kitchen budget, and how you like to cook. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen appliance insights.